Why travel by bike? It's the chance to see the world in a new way. To take the path less traveled. Seeing a lot more of the landscape while always maintaining a sense of momentum. It's not knowing what every day will bring. It's the opportunity to explore with your best friends. It's camping under the stars at night. It's having no other commitments but to ride your bike all day. This is bikepacking.
Travis, day 2. How you feeling?
I spilled your coffee.
You spilt my coffee? Oh, I hate you so much.
Calvin, day 2. How you feeling?
This is 100% mountain grade denim, fully waterproof, insulated, good to go, mountain rated. Let's get there, boys.
Day 2 is in the bag. We were stopped here at Towberry Rec Site. And there's this nice little cabin where we're going to spend the evening, have a little fire. A overall solid day of riding. And we'll catch you tomorrow.
What's up, MTV? How we do today? Come on in. Welcome to the crib. I hope you enjoy it. We're out here in the BC backcountry. If you check my fridge, you can check out all the awesome things I have. I got some coffee, got some mouse droppings, got some books. We're living well up in here. The top bunk, the bottom bunk, you can sleep so many people up in here. We have the wood fire stove here. You could use your cast iron pan on top and cook your bacon and eggs. You know, living good out here. Thanks a lot for stopping in, MTV Cribs.
Hey, good morning. Day 4. We're just about to leave Sparwood here, head on our way to Fernie. It's going to be a scorcher today, about 29 degrees Celsius, so better get out that sunscreen. And we are traveling on the Elk Valley Discovery Trail. Oh, Elk Valley Coal Discovery Trail.
Hey, where'd you come from? Is that where we go? Up there?
New friend. He's such a good boy.
Good morning. Just waking up at our campsite here at Elko Lake. Had a really nice day yesterday with tons of single track. For the last 10 to 15 kilometers, we had this dog follow us. We initially thought it was just playing with us, but then it looks like it actually had been lost. And we were able to pull over these two girls in a vehicle who we told them just to take the dog to see if they could take it to the SPCA to find the owner. But today, looks like there might be some thunder showers in the forecast, so hopefully the weather holds up.
Thumbs up for riding bikes.
Hey, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next episode where we bike up Grey Creek Pass, Canada's highest road, and move west in towards the heat dome of 2021 which broke several days of heat records.